Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to log into HomeStreet Mortgage account online. HomeStreet is a financial institution that offers various banking services including mortgages. If you want to access your HomeStreet Bank's mortgage account online and schedule a payment, simply go ahead and follow through the steps till the end. The first thing to do is to open a web browser of your choice. After you do so, go to the URL box and type in mortgageapp.homestreet.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will now take you to the sign-in page for HomeStreet Bank, from where you will need to log into your online banking account. If you don't have an account yet, click on the sign up button at the top of the screen and follow through the on-screen instructions to register for a new account first. If you already have an account, you can access to it by typing in your credentials, that is your email and password associated with your HomeStreet Bank account. If you're having trouble signing into your account, click on Trouble Signing In and follow through the instructions till the end. Finally, click on Sign In, and this will then take you to HomeStreet Bank account's main homepage, from where you can easily tap on Mortgage and access your mortgage account. So that's how you can easily log into HomeStreet Mortgage account online. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.